In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use 3 high-impact ChatGPT prompts to streamline my job search and land a position as a marketing manager. I'm starting right here on ChatGPT homepage, and to begin, I'll open my notes where I have both my current resume and a specific job description for a role I'm targeting. I'll highlight and copy all the relevant information, then head over to the ChatGPT homepage. I'll paste the text into the prompt box and ask the AI to act as a professional resume writer to rewrite my bullet points so they align perfectly with the specific job requirements. I'll take a moment to review the results, and you can see how the new bullet points shift the focus toward strategic leadership and marketing results, which are exactly what this employer is looking for. Now that my resume is optimized, I'll go back to my notepad to copy a second prompt designed for a professional cover letter. I'll paste this into the chat, and ChatGPT quickly generates a polished, natural-sounding draft. This isn't just a generic template, it specifically emphasizes my background with multi-channel campaigns and connects my past wins directly to the company's needs. Having a draft that highlights my marketing manager experience so effectively saves me hours of writing. To finish my preparation, I'll copy one last prompt to help me practice for the actual interview. I'll ask ChatGPT to act as a hiring manager and list the 5 most common questions for this specific position. I'll scroll through the suggestions, which cover critical topics like measuring campaign success and building brand awareness. This gives me a solid foundation to practice my responses and ensures I'm not caught off guard during the meeting. By using these 3 prompts, I can go from applying to interview ready in a fraction of the time. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own career growth, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.